Use of ProFolio inside reservation card. ProFolio is the screen where all the planned and realized folio transactions are displayed. In this example, when we open ProFolio tab, we will see listed here the postings from restaurant and payment which was made by credit card. With these colored ticked boxes, we may see that these are the transactions that are processed under the related folio. For this, we may check the related folio tab. Accommodation price is the expense that was still not processed inside the guest folio. This is because the system automatically posts this daily accommodation expense under the related folio after the night audit. If we wish to charge the folio with the accommodation or package expenses for the specific date, then we should click on the related transaction row and select Post Selected Rows in order to process this under the corresponding folio tab. This is how the folio will look after posting.